Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our Middlesex University's ePad account. So let's get started. So to log into your Middlesex University's ePad account, what you can do is just simply open up your browser. You can select any browser you like, and after opening up your browser in search bar, you can search for Middlesex University's ePad login. After searching for that option, it will direct you to this page, and from here what you can do is just tap on this first option. It says ePad. After tapping on that, here you can see you will come up to the sign in page of Middlesex University London. And now what you can do is just tap on Middlesex sign in. And after tapping on that option, now what you can do is just enter your MDX email address, which means Middlesex University's email address. So after entering your Middlesex University's account email address, what you can do is just enter your account's password. After entering the password, now what you can do is just tap on sign in. After tapping on sign in, you'll successfully sign into your account. That's it guys, this is how to sign into your Middlesex University's ePad account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.